I've wanted to make this dish for quite a while, Marry Me Chicken. It's I sort of looked it up. I thought, what's its heritage? It doesn't have any heritage. Apparently it is very much an internet creation. It was created by a company called Delish, which is an American conglomerate. I am actually going to do their original recipe, but with a few, just probably some Jules changes, because the first thing I disagree with is that they cook the chicken at a high heat in extra virgin olive oil. Well, extra virgin olive oil on a high heat is going to burn. So I'm going to use schmaltz, which is chicken fat. I don't expect you to have schmaltz. Use it if you have it. Or olive oil or vegetable oil, but not extra virgin. I'm going to dispute that with them. So I'm heating some oil. I've got a couple of quite large chicken breasts, which I salted a couple of hours ago, so the salt has had a chance to work its way into the flesh and season it all the way through. I'm just going to pat it dry. Heat the fat. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees. I'm going to brown these breasts. Rinse this plate because you don't want to put cooked meat or get a clean plate. You don't want to put cooked meat onto a plate which you've had raw meat. I've turned these over, so now I'm going to add some pepper. I didn't add the pepper before because I don't want it to burn. These have had a couple of minutes on each side. I'm just going to take them out. They can sit there. I'm going to put this to a lower heat because I don't want to burn everything else that's going in. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to shave mine in with my truffle shaver. You can do finely chopped or grated. I'm doing finely sliced. On a low heat, do not burn your garlic, it will ruin the dish. Just needs a minute. I've got a heaped teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves. They're going to go in. Add some more fat to the pan if you need it. I'm going to add a few chili flakes. Give that a stir, it only needs 1 minute. I've got about 70, this is for 2 people. Have I not said that? I've got about 75 grams of chicken stock. 75 mil, 75 mil and 75 grams. It's the same thing. I do actually weigh my liquids. That's a chefy top tip. I've got about 60 ml of cream. I'm actually using whipping cream because I want to use up leftovers, but use double cream if you have it, or heavy cream if you're in America. I've got 70 grams of diced sun-blushed tomatoes. They're going in. And I've got 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan. So that's about 15 grams. All of that's going in. Give it a stir. I am going to taste it. I don't want to add any more salt. My chicken is salted, the parmesan is salty. I'm going to return the chicken to the pan along with its juices, and this is going to go in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to check it after 12 minutes. You're looking for an internal temperature of 75 degrees. This has had 12 minutes. Please keep something over the handle to remind you that that handle is very hot. I don't want to be responsible for some nasty burns. I'm going to check. I'm actually going to put these plates in the oven while I'm messing about. I want to make it look a bit special. So I'm going to cut this into 3 pieces. and put that on the rice, and then ladle over plenty of the Marry Me sauce. And there we have it, Marry Me chicken.